So we're heading for the same business that did the wheels on Reggie. They did a fantastic job, so we thought, use them again. So why does Millie's wheels need to be painted or refurbished? Well, that's because they're the wrong colour. One of the previous owners obviously decided it would look nice with black wheels. Now that's fine, I understand, it's personal taste and all that, but it isn't actually what it should be. They're supposed to be silver. Now of course Millie isn't on the original wheels anyway, because of course they would have been TD wheels more than likely, with wheel covers, a bit like the inset I'll put on the video now. However, because you can't get TD tyres anymore, of course you have to take another route. So many MG Metros are driving around with turbo wheels on, and they look really nice in the correct colour. So let's get them done. Do you know, while I'm heading to the place to get the wheels done, unless I'm mistaken, in the 80s and the early 90s, well, the Metro and the Rover 100 had become, I don't think they were particularly loved by a lot of people, were they? Let me straighten you up a bit. They certainly weren't loved by the likes of Quentin Wilson, but maybe now they're old and relatively rare. People seem to notice this driving down the road. I've had a few thumbs up as I've drove down the road, which is really nice. I guess there are always some people that just appreciate they're seeing a car from their past, and it's just nice to see one still on the road. Now of course this MG Metro is by far the only one that's still on the road, but of course as the years go by, well, there might be the odd one or two creeping back out of garages that are currently not on the road. In general, the numbers will go down. I have every intention of this one staying on the road. Right, we're here. Time to look at the wheels. Slightly nervous. First impressions time, and I can already see it. Millie's looking lovely already. Wow. Oh wow. That is exactly how an MG Metro should look. Silver wheels, thank you very much. That's one very happy Brummy, everyone.